In this video, we are going to learn how to draw an Euler diagram so that we can determine whether a syllogism is valid or invalid. So let's go ahead and start with the first statement. This statement says, all lacrosse players eat meat. So we're going to start out with a circle that represents all of our lacrosse players. And since they all eat meat, they would be totally contained inside of a circle that represents people who eat meat. Now notice they're not the only people who eat meat, but all of them eat meat. So they're contained inside of that. Now, the next sentence states that all people that eat meat, so we've got the red circle representing those people, well, it says they drive a car. So that circle is contained totally within another circle that represents all the people who drive a car. And again, they're not the only people who drive a car, but it said all the ones who eat meat drive a car, so that circle is contained totally inside of the other. All right, in our next statement, it says all people that drive a car, they eat pizza. So now we bring in another circle that represents the people who eat pizza, and since all people that drive a car eat pizza, that circle has to be totally contained inside of the pizza circle. So that is our Euler diagram. So what we're trying to decide with this Euler diagram is whether or not this final statement is valid. And so the final statement says all of the lacrosse players eat pizza. So if we look at our lacrosse players, that's all of them, are they inside of the circle that contains people who eat pizza? And yes, they are. So in this particular case, we would say this is a valid syllogism.